Today we are in Istanbul. I am back to this place, Grand Bazaar. We got some tea, very nice flags. Gold everywhere.
¿Quiere ir para allá?
Sikis. Popular tourist destinations. We have a column of Constantine. Burger King.
527.
Thank you. $3. How you guys doing? There's another one. Lines and lines of tourists. Good thing I don't want to go in there. It's a good experience.
Thank you. Bye bye. Nice ice cream.
Fountain. Istanbul 9 has arrived.
Çektin mi?
It's a good look. I've been there 3 years ago. And we are on Umbrella Street. And that's it. What is going on? Riding a tram. $1.20. Free hostel. Going to Taksim Square. Some van life for ya. How you doing? Made it to the square. I am back. And it is starting to rain. First Starbucks in 6 months. We are getting this shot. Check this out. After the rain, we're looking for some food. So I got this for $5. So I spent the last day and a half in the bed with the food poisoning from the last meal. 1664. That is something I'm interested in. It's all the same stuff. And I'm back to eating quality food. Here we come. Let's do this, eh?
Dear passengers, please do not.
Банкоматик. I need to find the coffee. I got it. Who designed this? This is ridiculous.
Bölgelere doğru ilerlemeniz.
It is so slow. Hey! Got myself into the mall. What's going on, boys? Обуди Пикси. Room tour. Bathroom. 3 beds. TV. The view is not available. And this is all for $30 a day. Let's get out of here. See you later, Istanbul. 4 a.m. People are still fishing. Thank you, boss.